Hey everyone, I'll be showing you best 10 AI content detection tools in 2024. In today's digital age, the internet is flooded with an abundance of user-generated content. As AI technology advances, so does the sophistication of generated content. This raises a critical need for effective content detection tools to ensure authenticity and quality. The best AI content detection tools offer a plethora of features and seamlessly integrate with existing platforms. Balancing cost and functionality is crucial to meet individual needs and budget constraints. Join us as we explore the forefront of AI content detection and its transformative impact on moderating online content. Kicking off our list of the top 10 best content detection tools is Originality.ai. This cutting-edge AI tool is designed to identify a wide range of content formats, offering advanced features for detecting plagiarism, ensuring content quality, and maintaining online safety. Let us dive into what makes Originality.ai a standout choice in the realm of content detection. Originality.ai stands out with its ability to handle multiple content formats, including text, images, and videos. This versatility makes it a comprehensive solution for diverse content moderation needs, setting it apart from other tools in the market. Let us delve deeper into the features that make Originality.ai shine. One of Originality.ai's standout features is its unparalleled performance in detecting plagiarism and ensuring content quality. Whether you are a business, institution, or individual, Originality.ai offers advanced tools to maintain online safety and integrity. The ability to handle multiple content formats sets Originality.ai apart from the competition. From text to images and videos, this tool provides comprehensive content detection capabilities, ensuring no aspect of your content goes unchecked. However, it is important to consider the pricing. Originality.ai's premium pricing may be a drawback for users with budget constraints. While the features are robust and unmatched, it is essential to weigh them against the cost to determine if it aligns with your needs and budget. Our journey through the best content detection tools continues with GLTR, a specialized AI tool designed specifically to identify content generated by the GPT-2 model. Developed by researchers from the MIT, IBM Watson AI Lab, and Harvard University, GLTR addresses a growing concern in the realm of AI-generated content. Let us delve into what makes GLTR a standout choice for users concerned about the authenticity and quality of GPT-2-generated text. GLTR's primary advantage lies in its specialization in detecting content generated by the GPT-2 model. With the rise of AI-written text posing challenges in distinguishing between human and machine-generated content, GLTR provides a valuable solution for users particularly concerned about GPT-2-generated content. Let us explore the features that make GLTR unique. One of GLTR's key features is its focus on GPT-2 model-generated content. This specialized approach allows users to address the specific challenges posed by AI-written text, ensuring greater accuracy in content detection and moderation. Developed by researchers from prestigious institutions like the MIT, IBM Watson AI Lab, and Harvard University, GLTR boasts credibility and reliability in its approach to content detection. However, it is important to consider the limitations of GLTR. While GLTR's specialization in GPT-2-generated content is valuable, it may not be suitable for users seeking a more comprehensive content detection solution that covers a broader range of content types and issues. For users with diverse content moderation needs, GLTR's focus may be too narrow. Moving along our list of the best content detection tools, we come to Writer, a robust AI solution tailored specifically for enterprises and agencies. With its extensive suite of features, Writer aims to empower organizations in maintaining content quality and integrity across diverse platforms and formats. Let us delve into what makes Writer a top contender in the realm of content detection. Writer is designed with enterprise-grade features, catering to the needs of large organizations and agencies. From grammar and style suggestions to content moderation and AI-generated content identification, Writer offers a comprehensive solution to address various content-related challenges. Let us explore the key features that set Writer apart. One of Writer's standout features is its extensive suite of capabilities tailored for enterprise use. With grammar and style suggestions, content moderation, and AI-generated content identification, Writer provides organizations with the tools they need to maintain content quality and integrity. Furthermore, Writer offers seamless integration with popular content management systems along with team collaboration features. These integrations and collaborative tools streamline content moderation workflows, enhancing efficiency and productivity for large-scale operations. However, it is essential to consider the target audience and pricing of Writer. While Writer's advanced capabilities make it a powerful tool for large organizations and agencies, small businesses and individual users may find its pricing and features set better suited for larger-scale operations. It is crucial to assess whether Writer aligns with your organization's needs and budget. Next up on our list of the best content detection tools is Hugging Face, a project developed by OpenAI. Hugging Face offers a free AI-driven text detection solution, leveraging state-of-the-art natural language processing models to analyze and identify inappropriate or harmful content in text form. Let us dive into what makes Hugging Face a compelling choice for users seeking a cost-effective and efficient content detection solution. Hugging Face free AI-driven text detection solution makes it particularly appealing for budget-conscious users. With its utilization of cutting-edge natural language processing models, Hugging Face offers a powerful tool for analyzing and detecting problematic content in textual format. Let's explore key features that make Hugging Face stand out. One of Hugging Face standout features is its cost-effectiveness. Being a free tool, it provides users with access to advanced AI-driven content detection capabilities without need for substantial financial investment. Additionally, Hugging Face benefits from an active community of developers and researchers who continuously contribute to the improvement and expansion of its features. This ensures that the tool remains up to date with the latest advancements in AI technology. However, it is important to consider Hugging Face's limitations. While Hugging Face excels in text detection, its focus on this specific format may not be suitable for users who require a more comprehensive solution for detecting content across various formats, such as images or videos. Our exploration of the best content detection tools continues with Kazan, a unique SEO tool that combines AI text detection with search engine optimization, tailored for webmasters and content creators. Kazan offers a powerful solution for enhancing content quality while maximizing search engine visibility. Let us uncover what makes Kazan a standout choice in the realm of content detection and SEO optimization. Kazan is more than just a content detection tool. It is a comprehensive SEO solution that integrates AI text detection with search engine optimization techniques. This innovative blend allows users to not only identify harmful or low-quality content but also receive insights and suggestions for optimizing content to achieve better search engine rankings. Let us delve deeper into the features that make Kazan unique. Kazan's standout feature is its combination of AI text detection and search engine optimization capabilities. Unlike traditional content detection tools, Kazan goes beyond identifying problematic content by offering actionable insights and suggestions for improving content quality and search engine visibility simultaneously. With Kazan, users have the opportunity to optimize their content for search engines, maximizing visibility and organic reach. This integration of content detection and SEO optimization sets Kazan apart as a valuable tool for webmasters and content creators looking to enhance their online presence. However, it is important to consider the target audience and focus of Kazan. While Kazan excels in providing both content detection and SEO optimization features, it may not be the best choice for users solely focused on content moderation without a need for SEO optimization. Individuals or organizations seeking a dedicated content detection tool may find Kazan's SEO features unnecessary for their specific needs. Our journey through the best content detection tools continues with Crossplag, a powerful plagiarism detection solution designed with academic integrity in mind. Tailored for educational institutions, researchers, and students, Crossplag offers reliable and efficient detection of plagiarism, ensuring the integrity of academic work. Let us explore what makes Crossplag a standout choice in the realm of content detection, particularly in academic settings. Crossplag employs machine learning algorithms to detect plagiarism effectively, providing a valuable resource for maintaining academic integrity. With its focus on detecting various forms of plagiarism, Crossplag serves as an essential tool for educational institutions and researchers striving to uphold high standards of academic work. Let us delve deeper into the features that make Crossplag unique. One of Crosspлаг's standout features is its dedication to academic integrity. By employing machine learning algorithms specifically designed for plagiarism detection, Crossplag ensures reliable and efficient identification of plagiarized content, helping to maintain the integrity of academic research and publications. Crossplag's focus on academic integrity makes it an excellent choice for educational institutions, researchers, and students alike. Its ability to effectively detect various forms of plagiarism enhances the credibility of academic work and promotes a culture of honesty and originality in research and writing. However, it is important to consider the limitations of Crossplag. While Crossplag excels in plagiarism detection, its primary focus may not cover all the content moderation needs for some users. Organizations or individuals seeking a more comprehensive content detection solution beyond plagiarism detection may find Crossplag features limited in scope. But before we move on, if you're excited about keeping up with the latest in artificial intelligence and staying in the know about recent trends and advancements, it is essential to hit that subscribe button on our channel. You will discover a wealth of content focused on AI updates and detailed tutorials delving into the complex realm of technology. Continuing our exploration of the best content detection tools, we come to Copyleaks, an AI-powered solution designed for checking both plagiarism and AI-generated text. With its sophisticated algorithms, Copyleaks ensures that your work remains original and maintains a high level of quality. Let us uncover what makes Copyleaks a top choice for writers, educators, and content creators who prioritize originality and authenticity. Copyleaks stands out as an AI-powered tool capable of detecting both plagiarism and AI-generated text. With its advanced algorithms, Copyleaks provides a comprehensive solution for ensuring content originality and quality. Let us delve deeper into the features that make Copyleaks unique. One of Copyleaks' standout features is its ability to identify content that has been copied, paraphrased, or generated by AI. This comprehensive approach to content detection ensures that users can maintain the integrity of their work and uphold high standards of originality and authenticity. Copyleaks' sophisticated algorithms leverage multiple natural language processing models to detect AI-written content effectively. This ensures that users can identify and address potential issues with AI-generated text, safeguarding the quality and authenticity of their work. However, it is important to consider the limitations of Copyleaks. While Copyleaks offers powerful detection capabilities for AI-written content, its focus on this specific area may not address all content moderation requirements for some users. Organizations or individuals seeking a more comprehensive content detection solution may find Copyleaks features limited in scope. Our exploration of the best content detection tools continues with Content at Scale, a free tool leveraging multiple natural language processing models to detect AI-written content. With its user-friendly interface and powerful detection capabilities, Content at Scale offers an accessible and efficient solution for users striving to ensure the quality and originality of their content without breaking the bank. Let's delve into what makes Content at Scale a standout choice for content creators. Content at Scale stands out as a free tool equipped with advanced natural language processing models for detecting AI-written content. Its combination of a user-friendly interface and powerful detection capabilities makes it an accessible and efficient solution for maintaining content quality and originality. Let us explore the features that make Content at Scale unique. One of Content at Scale's standout features is its utilization of multiple natural language processing models to detect AI-written content effectively. This ensures that users can identify potential issues with content quality and originality without incurring significant cost. Additionally, Content at Scale offers a user-friendly interface that simplifies the content detection process. With its intuitive design, users can navigate the tool effortlessly, enhancing productivity and efficiency in ensuring content quality and originality. However, it is important to consider the limitations of Content at Scale. While Content at Scale excels in detecting AI-written content, its focus on this specific area may not address all content detection requirements for some users. Organizations or individuals seeking more advanced content detection features beyond AI written content may find content at scale's capabilities limited in scope. Our exploration, the best content detection tools, continues with Sapling.ai, a beginner-friendly AI tool focused on improving grammar and style accuracy. With its emphasis on real-time suggestions and corrections, Sapling.ai helps users enhance their content quality, making it an ideal choice for writers, bloggers, and content creators striving for clarity and professionalism. Let us uncover what makes Sapling.ai a valuable asset for content creators. Sapling.ai stands out as a free, beginner-friendly AI tool designed to improve grammar and style accuracy in content. Its real-time suggestions and corrections simplify the editing process, enhancing productivity and ensuring clarity and professionalism in writing. Let us delve deeper into the features that make Sapling.ai unique. One of Sapling.ai's standout features is its emphasis on grammar and style accuracy. By providing real-time suggestions and corrections, Sapling.ai enables users to enhance the quality of their writing, ensuring clarity and professionalism in their content. Additionally, Sapling.ai offers a user-friendly interface that simplifies the editing process. With its intuitive design, users navigate the tool effortlessly, enhancing productivity and efficiency in improving content quality. However, it is important to consider the limitations of Sapling.ai. While Sapling.ai excels in improving grammar and style accuracy, its focus on these specific areas may not address all content detection requirements for some users. Organizations or individuals seeking more advanced content detection features beyond grammar and style improvement may find Sapling.ai's capabilities limited in scope. Our journey through the top 10 best content detection tools culminates with GPTZero, an innovative AI tool that offers API access for developers. With its free-to-use platform and versatile API, GPTZero provides developers with a flexible and efficient solution for detecting AI-generated content. Let us explore what sets GPTZero apart as a valuable resource for developers and businesses alike. GPTZero stands out as a free-to-use AI content detection tool with API access for developers. Its versatile API allows for seamless integration into existing systems and platforms, providing developers with a customizable solution for detecting AI-generated content. Let us delve deeper into the features that make GPTZero unique. One of GPTZero's standout features is its API access for developers. This feature enables seamless integration while existing systems and platforms, offering developers a flexible and efficient solution for detecting AI-generated content. Additionally, GPTZero's versatility allows developers to customize the tool to meet their specific content detection needs. Whether it is identifying AI-generated text, images, or videos, GPTZero offers a comprehensive solution adaptable to various content formats. However, it is important to consider the limitations of GPTZero. While GPTZero excels in detecting AI-generated content, its primary focus in this area may not address all content detection and moderation requirements for some users. Organizations or individuals seeking a more comprehensive content detection solution beyond AI-generated content may find GPTZero capabilities limited in scope. In conclusion, our exploration of the top 10 content detection tools has showcased a remarkable advancements in AI technology. From plagiarism detection to grammar improvement and AI-generated content identification, these tools offer diverse solutions for maintaining content integrity. As technology continues to evolve, we anticipate further innovations in content detection, ensuring a safer and more authentic online experience for users worldwide. It is essential for businesses and individuals to leverage these tools responsibly, contributing to a digital landscape characterized by trust and reliability. If you enjoyed today's exploration of today's video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on our AI adventures. We are constantly diving into new realms and discovering the possibilities that technology brings. A big thank you to all of you who are tuning in and being a part of this incredible journey. Remember, the world of AI is ever evolving and there is always something new to explore. Until next time, stay curious, stay inspired, and keep the conversation alive.